everyone, this is me Aditi. Today I'm here to talk about the Motorola G62 5G. This phone is a great choice for those who are looking for a powerful and reliable phone. This phone comes with a 6.5-inch FHD plus ultra smooth display with a refresh rate of 120Hz. This ensures that you can enjoy lag-free gaming, seamless multitasking and stunning shutter-free graphics. It is powered by a Snapdragon 695 5G processor and a 6GB of RAM, so you can perform excellently without the smartphone overheating. The camera on the phone is also quite impressive. It has a 50-megapixel main camera that allows you to capture breathtaking images with incredible imagery. It also has a 16-megapixel front camera for taking selfies. The Motorola G62 5G is available in midnight grey and comes with 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM. It is a great choice for those who are looking for a powerful and reliable phone.
Hey guys, this is Mehul. If you are in the market for a new mobile phone, then there are several things to consider before making a purchase. Here is a buying guide to help you choose the right phone for your needs. Operating system. Smartphones generally come with either Android or iOS operating systems. Consider which operating system you prefer and which one will work best for you. Display. The size and resolution of the display are important factors to consider. A large display is better for watching videos, browsing the internet and reading the documents, while a smaller display is more portable and easier to use with one hand. Additionally, consider the display's resolution, which affects the clarity and sharpness of the images. Battery life. Battery life is a crucial factor to consider. If you plan on using your phone heavily throughout the day, then look for a phone with a battery capacity of at least 3000 mAh and consider phones with fast charging capabilities. Camera. Consider quality of the front and rear facing cameras. If you plan on using your phone for photography, look for phones with a high megapixel count, good low light performance and optical image stabilization. Storage. Consider the amount of storage you'll need for your phone. If you plan on storing a lot of music, photos and videos, opt for a phone with at least 64GB of internal storage. Some phones also offer expandable storage via micro SD cards. Performance. A phone's performance depends on its processor and RAM. Look for a phone with a processor that is suitable for your needs, whether that be for basic tasks or for gaming and multitasking. Additionally, consider the amount of RAM, which affects the phone's speed and ability to handle multiple apps at once. Basic mobile phones are a more affordable option for those who do not need the advanced features of a smartphone. When choosing a basic mobile, considering the battery life, ease of use and call quality. Additionally, look for features with larger buttons and screens for easier use and consider whether you need features such as a camera or internet connectivity. In summary, consider the operating system, display, battery life, camera, storage and performance when choosing a smartphone, and battery life, ease of use, call quality and necessary features when choosing a basic mobile phone.